Hey, good morning guys. We're back out on the water again for another adventure. A little chilly this morning, I say. It's only about 16 or 61, maybe even a bit cooler than that. So I got a little bit of a hoodie on and stuff, but that's all right. It's a beautiful day so far. So I think we're just going to go out and explore some of the islands around my area, and I'm hoping I can get you some shots of the Lighthouse on Griffith Island. So that's kind of our plan for today. Just kind of go out, explore, and see what we can find. So hope you come along for this one and enjoy the adventure like I am. So let's head out there and see what we can get up to. Alright guys, well, we've made it over to Griffith Island. So this is what's known as Deep Water Point. So you can see on it right here, I'm about 15 feet from shore, but it's 26 feet deep. So, and like just out over here, it drops down to about 100 feet, and like so within 50 feet of shore, it's 200 feet down. So, i.e., that's why it's called Deep Water Point. There is quite a bit, surprisingly, of offshore wind already this morning, which is interesting. But again, you can see how in like a previous video I was talking about is that there's these ridges. So like the tree line used to be where it is, and every year there seems to be an added on ridge of stone, right? So that's how the island keeps getting bigger. So all right, well, let's keep going, and we'll head around. Excuse me, early mornings. Well, we made it to the Griffith Island Lighthouse. The lighthouse itself is in pretty good shape, but that house that used to be there, not so much. So we got the drone up there. Hope you got some good shots that you enjoyed. I hope you liked that. So yeah, we're gonna head out and rip around the rest of the island and see what we can find. But yeah, that's the Griffith Island Lighthouse. I'll throw some stats on the screen probably while the drone's up, so you've probably already seen the stats. So it is what it is. Anyways, guys, let's keep going and enjoy this day. All right, saying goodbye. So Griffith Island is a privately owned island, so you're actually not allowed to land on the beach. It's also a hunting island, so there's people that own it have a hunting club, Griffith Island Hunting Club, or some kind of name like that. So another reason why not to land on the island. You don't want to get shot, that would be bad. But yeah, great to explore and just kind of get these little bays. So this is the very southerly tip of Hay Island. You can either go that way or that way. I'm pretty sure you've probably seen videos about this island, but pretty cool. It actually doesn't look too bad going that way, so maybe we'll come back that way, and right now we'll go this way and see what we find. So again, this is a private island, so again, landing on it not recommended. Let's head out around this way and see what we can find. And we're back where we started from. Man, I love that run. All right, guys, well, let's make our way back. It's time for some lunch, I think. And we'll make it back before the wind gets going. So, all right, we're gonna punch it back. Which way should I go? I'll just maybe go straight. So, all right, let's do this run. Anyways, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the drone shots and the lighthouse there and just everything we got up to. And really just hope you keep checking out these videos. So I want to say thank you for all the likes, the comments. I love hearing from you guys. It's great. All the subscriptions, man. It's amazing to see how this is going. So thank you so much. So guys, like I always say, until the next one, be safe out on the water. Peace.